Hello. Today is February 20, 3:04 p.m. So, we're gonna be talking about the markets and meron akong guide dito as per uh, a suggestion para naman medyo organized tayo. So, we're gonna be talking about BTC and market updates. And the next on my list is if I were to choose what coins I'll be holding from the start of the year to the end of the year, what are the 8 coins? And then crypto masterclass details, and then a surprise that we're planning for next month, and the copy trading. Okay, so let's start with BTC. BTC is okay. So why do we start with BTC anyways? We go for this first because BTC is kind of like the index when it comes to the stock market. Para siyang PSEI or like DJI, SPX, wherein we get a feel of the general market sentiment. So BTC is for the crypto markets. If gumalaw si BTC up, usually sumusunod yung iba in a more, heightened way. So usually pag umakyat si BTC, let's say 2%, 5%, you see alts go 5% more, while some people or some coins go 10%, 20, 50, even 100. And then pag bumabagsak naman si BTC, yan, makikita mo rin na sumusunod din yung iba. Let's say babagsak ng 2% or 5% or 10% si BTC, you get to see an amplified version of that na bagsak with alts. Makita mo na bumabagsak ng 20, 30, 50, 100. Meron bang 100? Yung mga rug pull projects, yes. But anyways, ayun. That's why we're looking into BTC always. So BTC has been going up since the start of the year, and congratulations to those na nakisabay sa akin na nag-DCA since November. We did see this move, and we're making some good money here. But of course, the market is not gonna go like straight up, and even if we are bullish on our long-term outlook, we still wanna see, or we wanna be prepared for any scenario. Right? So again, I'm approaching this from an investor point of view and also from a trader point of view. So investor mode, my gut is telling me it's going to be a bull market this 2023. If not, then yeah, we'll see. For the trader in me naman, I am looking at this and I'm seeing short-term bullish, the trend, but then we're also looking at a more sideways-ish movement. So hindi yan dire-diretso. Even if let's say umakyat na siya ng mga 40 to 50%, we're still on a sideways trend. And you see that there's that resistance over here. So we still have to break that. And the only time probably that I would say na talagang bullish ako and it's going to be easier to make money, like relatively easier to make money, is if this level is broken, itong 25 levels. Actually, nasa 25 na siya itong mga level na kanina, umaga. So we're hitting that level, that resistance level. But I would say if this level gets broken, itong 32K, and prices consolidate above this level and then does another breakout, then I would say, hey, you know what, guys, we are on a full-blown bull market. Syempre, the higher the resistance broken, the better. I would always say if you wanna go and make money fast, then get in pagka nagkaroon na ng 52-week breakout, or let's say a 1-year breakout. But again, medyo matagal pa yan, but doesn't mean that there's no opportunity in the markets. So that's it for BTC. I'm still thinking how we would have a retest on these lows, but we'll see. Like, I could be wrong naman. So, ang weird ba? Na parang gusto ko bullish pero gusto ko bumagsak yung market. That's part of how we make money. Hindi naman yan tuloy-tuloy na paakyat or tuloy-tuloy pababa. Every move, either up or down, if you know how to maneuver this market, will make you tremendous amount of money. But especially for you guys who are just looking to buy and hodl and then see where it goes after a year or two. Crypto is here to stay. And one of the reasons, and we discussed this during the masterclass, the crypto masterclass light on Saturday, na why crypto? Well, it lessens your need to use itong mga banks. With banks, you usually take 2 to 3 days if you want to send money abroad. But with crypto, less than a minute, you do the transfer and it's in your account. So kung magpapadala ka to your, let's say, OFW parents or vice versa, or relatives, like everything is within a minute. Just know kung asan mo siya isa-send. Like you just need a wallet address, that's it. And then gas fee. Alright, so that's for BTC. Next topic is, what are the 8 tokens or crypto that I'm gonna be holding if, let's say, you're gonna give me a year to just hold them and not do anything. So I'm already doing that with that portfolio in Maya, which is this one. So if you've been following that album, Tayo and Crypto, I've been dollar cost averaging since November. And then nung January bumomba ako, and then another 100k. Supposed to be it was only 100k, but then I said, you know what, like let's just make it 200. And then yan, with the 200k capital right now, since the start of since November, and then yeah, it's now at 43,000 gain. So if I sell this, I think wala na siyang fees or slippage, as is na siya. But again, I do not recommend Maya. If you're gonna do crypto, probably with Gcash, I don't know how, like, meron na silang lumabas ngayon na you can do crypto with Gcash and it's powered by PDAX. So I think competitive yung mga prices nila doon, but I don't know. I can't really say anything about that because I'm not using it. I don't want to say something about something that I'm not using, right? Not just gonna give I don't want to give a biased review just because, like I'm not using it. And even here in Maya, I do not recommend that you use it because there's a 5% na taga, or what do you call this? Slippage, which means you're buying a premium, you're buying crypto at premium price. Pag bili mo sa kanya, let's say you have 50,000, 5% of that automatic matatanggal dun sa capital mo. And yes, they're saying no fees, but the slippage, that's a different thing. So yeah, para-paraan lang. So if you're asking me why I'm using this, is because you can see the peso cost, or yung total cost, and I'm just there to buy and hold. Most of my money is in Binance and in other platforms, or in the decentralized protocols and services in crypto. So papakita ko naman yan sa inyo, guys. And then I'll be sharing my links if you want to use my referral links, or our referral links, so that you can save up on fees and then makaka-discount kayo doon if you use it. So yeah, what else? Right, what are the top coins that I will be holding if ever? So I have a list here. I have ETH, Sol, Solana is my biggest bag, and then DOT, Polkadot, Uni or Uniswap, Matic, Doge, Bonk, and GP. So papakita ko yung mga tokens na to. Okay, baka makalimutan. Lagay ko lang dito. So let's start with ETH. So ETH is, it's one of the OG tokens, and I would prefer this over Bitcoin because it just has more utility over Bitcoin. Mas mabilis yung galaw niya. If you want slow but okay yung galaw, let's say you have billions, yeah, go ahead, do BTC. But ETH is, like, for me, the better pick kasi mas mabilis siya if you want capital appreciation. And then my next is Solana. I'm not gonna explain like in depth why I'm getting into these tokens. I would suggest that you do your own research why. I'm just answering a question. But yeah, Solana because bakit? Halos lahat ng NFTs ko andito eh. So ito yung isa sa mga nagpayaman sa akin. Solana and some NFT games before that was just staking. Mobox, that. What else? DOT or Polkadot. So DOT, and then we have Uni. Sa lahat ng nasa list ko, guys, there's one outlier, and that's Matic. So you can see here na parang halos lahat ng mga tokens grabe yung binagsak. Although bumagsak din naman siya dito. But during the things na talagang nagkaroon ng shit show sa crypto, ito lang talaga yung nag-hold ng good levels. And then ngayon, Like, nagli-lead siya ng market. So, usually, pagka ganyan, yun talaga yung dapat heavy ka. Pero, wala, nasa Solana ako. But yeah, Matic is one of the top picks that I have. And it's also what I'm holding in that Maya, you know, ano bang itatawag ko doon? Para kasi siyang, thesis. Ganon. It's my thesis na parang, hey, guys, you can see what I'm holding. It's easier kasi to track eh. Tapos parang yan, nakasarado na siya ng 200k kaya I'm using this. Yeah, so it's like, since then, 43,000 na yung kanyang kita. Matic. And ayan, makita mo, yan yung top gainer ko, di ba? Matic. Siya yung pinaka talagang top gainer. And then, what else? Matic. Doge. Why Doge? Well, just for the culture. No particular reason. I don't know ano yung mga dito sa kanya, but what I do understand with Doge is that it's been a meme coin, one of the OG meme coins for a while now. And although marami pa namang ibang meme tokens dyan that I'm investing on, like SHIB, right? I'm invested in SHIB, although I won't say na parang top pick ko siya for like if I had 8, no? Pero hindi, kasama din siya dun sa list ko. But yeah, the next one is Bonk. You know, like investing into the meme tokens or meme coins, some people would say, you know, don't put your money into shit coins and stuff like that. Guys, there is opportunity there, but you just have to know when to exit. And that's why you gotta make sure to have an edge. Either tingnan mo yung fundamentals niya or marunong ka mag-technical analysis so that you have an edge kung alam mo na kailan lalabas. Yeah. So I'm not saying na parang don't do this or don't do that. Like, you guys have the freedom to do whatever you want with your money, right? Just make sure that you make informed decisions and you have the strategy when to exit. The next is Bonk. Teka, hindi ano to eh. Dapat dito. Bonk. Para makita mo yung buong galaw niya. Recently lang kasi siya nasa send or nakikita sa ibang exchanges. Yeah, this is Bonk. I'm also having this as it's kind of like a meme utility token. Hopefully okay. I'm not supposed to be shilling. I feel like a shiller right now. So I'm not supposed to be shilling these projects. But yeah, I'm just telling you, like, ito yung mga top 10 ko. Yeah, Bonk and then GP. GP is here. Graphite protocol. Hindi pa siya na-verify. But yeah, this is, you all know that I'm heavy into the Tayo ecosystem when it comes to NFT in Solana space. So GP is their token or Graphite protocol. So ayun, those are my 8 tokens. Again, that's ETH, Solana, DOT, Unimatic, Doge, Bonk, GP. The only way that you are able to buy GP as of the moment is if you have a Phantom wallet or let's say a decentralized wallet in the Solana ecosystem that can buy these things. You can buy it in Jupiter. So don't worry, guys. I'm going to send you the links. So if you ever want to, buy these things, then go ahead. But, risk only what you can afford to lose. Yeah, isasend ko sa inyo yung mga ito. So I'm gonna give you like a snapshot or like a preview. Saan ko ba nilagay yung pera ko? Just for the sake of you guys seeing. So that is the Maya. That's 200,000 pesos. And then we have here in my Binance Earn. I'm gonna, like in Binance, we were talking about this on the Masterclass slides. There's so many products kasi here in Binance wherein you can, maximize your capital or your crypto. And I say to people, aralin nyo to, yung simple earn na yan, Binance Earn, or even liquidity farming. So I'm all in these products. Although, pagka sinabi mong liquidity farming, usually nasa labas ng ng Binance, dun ko nilalagay sa mga decentralized protocols. But yeah, I always say to people, like if you have crypto and you're not lending it or you're not staking it, then it's kind of like you have a house but you're not renting it out. It's kind of like a liability. And I say, pag naka-stake yan, parang nagdi-dividends every day. Like if you're in the stock market and you invest into, let's say, PLDT, Meralco, Globe, they would give you these quarterly dividends, right? Or let's say, for example, if the company doesn't do such a good job and you only have that once a year or twice a year dividend, here in the crypto markets, it's every day you get, these coins or these tokens as dividends, and they're deposited in your spot wallet. Tapos kung naka-auto, ano pa yan, edi kino-compound niya yung mga na-earn mo ng mga dividends or yung staking rewards mo. So you get, let's say, the maximum benefits of these things. So there's that. Sa Binance Earn, I just talked to my marketing. I just talked to my team kasi we did videos regarding crypto. We called it Crypto Seria. We're supposed to be releasing it last year pa, pero like some stuff happened, sobrang na-busy kami. But I'm talking to my team now, so expect that to be released hopefully this week. So it's really just to help you get on board into the market. Let's say how to do peer-to-peer, to buy crypto from your bank, your traditional bank, BPI, GCash, ano pa ba? Kung ano pong mga banks na meron kayo, and then deposit to a random person's account, and then through an escrow service like Binance, you get your crypto. So how do you do that? Para hindi kayo kabahan, we made those videos for you. And then siguro yung mga basics na lang din, like why crypto and stuff like that. We're gonna cover that. So if we do have crypto masterclasses in the future, which we are committed to do naman, like we're gonna try to do that every month, may isa. And then we're still exploring how we can make this also a course online for those of you na medyo malayo. This product is going to be paid. So there's that. But guys, sulit naman to. Like if you want to invest into the crypto, you see yourself investing here, then invest into it. Worth it naman siya. Like we're gonna make sure na we don't disappoint. According to our feedback naman nung last Saturday, ayos naman. Like sobrang nabitin yung mga tao. We did for 7 hours yata kami na nandun, or like was it 6.5 hours? Sobrang kulang daw ng oras. So yeah, we'll still try to find ways how do we actually improve the service and make sure that we have a win-win for everyone. So for the next session, siguro, just wait for us. We're gonna announce it in our page. So follow our page in ZFT. Make sure you're following the right account. I think it has around 70k plus followers or what. Yeah, don't follow the scam accounts. Yung mga ano yan, give us or send Bitcoin to this address and then we'll return to you. Like matic scam yan pag ganyan. Okay, so a snapshot of the other things that my money is or where it is. So this is Binance, CakeDefi. Like for those of you na kasabay ko since a year ago or 2 years na ba tayo, we invested into this. So DFI, if you go here to DFI, yeah, I'm stuck here for 10 years kasi nilock ko yung account ko nilock ko yung tokens ko for 10 years tapos bumagsak, no. Pero I actually enjoyed some good rewards naman. Like hindi naman lahat nilock ko. And then for let's say every day you get a certain number. Those were the days really. And passive income, right? Like yung mga trading gains dito ko nilipat eh. Although bumagsak siya, pero hindi ganun kalaki yung bagsak dahil nilagay ko siya sa parang liquidity pair, liquidity mining, DUSD, DFI. Although yung DFI ko talaga na core, yun yung binibenta ko at that time. Although ngayon, I'm just holding it. I'm just holding it really, and then waiting for this bull to happen again. So ginagawa ko lang is nagdi-DCA lang din ako, and then see how like ano ba yung mga pwedeng gamitin dito. I'll share my referral link on the comments naman for this one so you get something. Ano pa ba? Yeah, DFI, and then if you see here kasi nandito sa ko eh. I'm not sure if it's in balances. Balances ba? Yeah, it's here pala. Okay. So, total rewards for, let's say, all time since I started investing. I'm not sure how much I invested already kasi ang dami ko rin pinold up dito eh. But yeah, this is how much I did on my rewards. You can see ang laki ng liquidity mining ko. Ang laki din ng freezer. And then referrals, I think they give you like a little percentage of that. And so, yeah, if you can invite other people, go ahead. Pero maliit lang. It's not like a lot of, but actually malaki na rin yun 6,000 USD for referrals. And then usually what we do is in ZFT or in TR, we have a community fund kasi doon namin nilagay yung investment, some of ZFT's investment nilagay namin dyan. And then we use those as a giveaway to the community. Although ngayon, parang tinigil muna namin kasi pabagsak yung market, di ba? Pero pag nag-bull market yan, ito na naman ulit, mamimigay na naman kami ng mga DFI tokens or crypto. So, in the future, pag meron kayong DFI wallet, then yun yung magde-deposit kami ng DFIs in the future. So, yeah, sign up there, especially if you want those giveaways. Later, ikukwento ko kung anong gagawin natin. But yeah. Trader Wagon, I also invested here. For your information, this is not a sponsored content on Trader Wagon. They have not sponsored me at all. Although, matagal na nila akong sinasabihan na, like, explore our platform if you want to become a copy trader or a lead trader pala. Then, you can explore our services. Which is actually, when I was looking into it and looking at the potential profits, especially if you're looking into managed, funding. Okay, so later ko na-explain yan. Pero basically, this is another one that I got into. And then, syempre, I'm putting where my money... I forgot. Sobrang nag-ano na yung isip ko. I put my money where my mouth is. And so, the only time that I will endorse a product is if ako mismo na-try ko siya and then I'm actually invested there. So, ito, I have actually 3 copy trading na parang ini-explore, but this is the only one that's profitable. So, the only time that you'd see me, let's say, shill a service is if ako mismo profitable dun sa bagay yan. So, with this one, I copied around 20,000 or 21,000, that amount na copy. And then, lumabas naman ako with profits. Although ngayon, medyo madugo siya kasi nag-choppy yung market and then I actually followed some scalpers. I'm actually trying to copy some good traders still on the search. And ngayon ko na lang i-discuss. Like, I have plans. Trader Wagon team, they were messaging me and then we had a meeting. And one of the plans that I'm thinking of is instead of us looking for traders to copy, why not, look inside DR or outside DR, people who are profitable traders or people who has the skill. And so, I'll try to endorse these traders. I'm not gonna endorse only one trader kasi baka mamaya mapapressure siya or, the social pressure of trading. Kahit gaano ka profitable usually pag ganun. Especially kung matagal ka sa market tapos biglang nagkaroon ka ng social pressure. Sometimes there's that like anxiety or feeling na a lot of people are copying me, so and then you mess up. And so I understand that could be an issue. And so what I plan to do is gather together these profitable traders or these good traders and then sign up for lead trader. I'm talking to Trader Wagon. Sabi naman nila na if you have people, then I just need to endorse them to the team, to the Trader Wagon team, and then they'll take care of it. And then I do see this as a good win-win situation because, like, for example, you have 100,000. You made 100,000 profit. Saan nanggaling yung 100,000 na yun? Let's say people copied you. And then you made those people who are copying you 100,000 in profits. So this is like, the total. 10% of that, let's say, for example, if you close your account, close your copy trading account, right? Like if you stop here. Iba yung settings for lead traders. Once you stop and close the portfolio, all the profits get distributed to, let's say, your investors, and syempre, yung profits mo punta sa'yo. So everything is automatic. Hindi siya katulad nung, let's say, yung mga funded traders namin in PSC and in Global. We have to compute everything by the cent, and then from there, we'll request that amount to be transferred to our account, and then from our account, we compute that kung ano yung para sa trader. So, medyo hassle siya. Medyo sobrang centralized ng process, I know. But this is actually a win-win. But unlike yung sa ZFT kasi na parang 50% of the profit goes to the trader, 50% goes to ZFT. So, ganun kalaki yung profit split. Here, it's only 10%. You cannot change the settings. It's really fixed in 10%, which is something that I'm looking into. Baka mamaya, Trader Wagon can do something. So if it's a really good trader, pwede siyang mag-demand ng higher na profit split. Let's say 15-20%. I'll see what I can do. But I'll put that into the suggestion as I talk to them. So yeah, I got to actually give these suggestions. So hopefully makinig naman sila. Para maging trader friendly. Yeah. So what I know is that if you want to be a lead trader, you need to have at least $500. So it's gonna be coming from your pocket, but then people can once people start copying you, isipin nyo naka-leverage na lang kayo, ganyan. So automatically the system does everything for you. So yeah, I'll try to endorse those traders and find them this season. Medyo matrabaho, medyo madugo, but let's see. What else? So yeah, if you don't have an account here, I'm gonna drop the referral link as well. Both for, I'm gonna ask muna kung if it's the same link for copy traders and lead traders, kasi you're gonna need that if you want to make sure that you have less fees incurred. So again, reminder, if you're, let's say, if you see a crypto product, and unless it's decentralized, no? Usually pag decentralized kasi walang referral fees eh. But usually pag mga ganitong mga products, meron silang mga referral system. So use those para makalesen ka talaga ng fees kasi malaking bagay yun. And then, so yeah, that's one thing. I've already discussed that. So later hindi ko na ito babalikan. I started with around, I think, 2,250 yata. After that reset kay Black Pig. And then I copied 10 traders. But now, there's only 4 of them remaining. And si 10 billion or si Black Pig pa rin yung top. Although, he's still negative at the moment. But he's doing actually better than most. RCK and then Golden Trader. These are also good traders that I'm seeing. Although, hindi sila ganun kalakas mag-trade. But still, it's better than the rest na talagang sunog yung portfolios nila or talagang ano bang ginawa nila. Like si Heng, itong si Fgus, so Lime Finance, the Dominican trader. Actually, inisip ko nga, okay kaya to. But like, between this guy and Black Pig, it's Black Pig pa rin. Mas maganda yung mga entries niya eh. So, that's it for Trader Wagon. And then, where else am I putting my money? Okay, Orca. So, dito na tayo sa medyo decentralized. So, this is one of the things that I'm discussing into the Crypto Masterclass. And to those people who are my investors or people who are my partners into this, especially dun sa NFT project, which is Overflow. I don't go into the detail much, especially if, let's say, it's this kind of setting wherein kasama yung public. But kasi baka mamaya masunog kayo, you don't know what you're doing, you're just copying things. Tapos, I need to, let's say, reshuffle investments. Like, I don't have that, I don't want to have that burden of updating people. Like, ito yung gagawin natin, labas tayo, pasok tayo, ito yung dapat arrange and stuff like that. And so, like, yeah, my job here is to just educate you and to actually show you that, hey, this is where I put my money. And then up to you guys, if you do your, do the research, make sure that whenever you put your money into something, research and verify as well. Baka mamaya kasi scam yung mapuntahan ninyo, di ba? And yeah, so this is in Orca. This is liquidity farming, concentrated liquidity pools. This is different from smart vaults or kung ano pa yan. This is totally different. So if you want to get into this is in the Solana ecosystem. You're gonna need to have a decentralized wallet like Phantom. I'm gonna put that into the description on this video so that hindi kayo ma-scam or what. But yeah, Phantom. And I think in the previous videos nilagay ko naman kung paano mag-set up ng Phantom wallet. So yeah, you're still gonna need a Binance account kasi from Binance to here. So yeah. And then here is another one, Camino. What else? Wow. Wait. What the? Okay, market na siya. Okay, nice. Sorry. Biglang naging rebalance ulit. This was only 20k kasi. Tapos I was just continually like rebalancing things. Oh, it's so good to see these figures up. Yeah. And then I use Jupiter. I use Jupiter to do the transactions if I want to trade one token to another from Solana to USDC, or to, let's say, Bonk or GB Graphite Protocol, right? I covered those. So yeah, I'm not gonna discuss NFTs. In the future, we might be able to cover some of those. So wait for that. Next month may pasabog kami. So wait for that because it's gonna be exciting. You're not going to see only me. You're gonna see other people as well, and we're gonna do this regularly, so that we can onboard more people into this space. But again, I want to make sure that you guys understand, this should not be taken as any as financial advice. Guys, I show you where I put my money, but please do your own research. Like, don't believe whatever I say, right? Like, make sure that you research on things before you actually put your money into something. And yeah, I'm not gonna tackle on the loanings that I do as well. Medyo risky din kasi pag hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo dyan eh. And then, yeah, for our overflow partners, yeah, those are really good Thai robotics that we have. All right. So I think ayun lang. Did I miss anything? Right. So, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna spill the beans now on one of the plans that we have. So we're planning to have a crypto show, and we're gonna need your help, I guess, in finding a good name for that show. We're gonna do this once a week, although our target is going to be twice a week. So it's just going to be light, nothing heavy, nothing extreme, right? Like going to the technicals of things, maybe in the future, but we want to make sure that it's light so that it's easy to understand, easy to digest, and we don't take too much time, because this is also a commitment, right? But we're going to try to explore, like, how do we make money, and probably have a fund as well that you can see live, like what I do dun sa Maya, na parang, I put 100k or 200,000 and then ito na siya ngayon. That's gonna be interesting, right? Like, live, we're gonna show you, this is where we're gonna put our money, and then after a month, or let's say after a week, eto na siya. So you guys can see actual, hindi yung parang we're just shilling things and then we're just saying this and that, and then wala naman kaming linagay na pera. We don't operate in that. We want to make sure that you see that, we put our money where our mouth is. So yeah, abangan yung mga bagay na yun, and then just, comment if you have any suggestions, if you have any ideas that you want to have us do. Like, some of the best ideas come from you guys, especially the suggestions and on the outline. So thank you guys for giving feedback. I think this is going to be the update for everyone, update for our overflow partners, for the public, and for TR. I think I've already kind of like disclosed everything there in this one video. Wow. Sorry, I'm just so like fired up right now. Galing na ako sa mga meetings and calls. Monday is one of the best days that I have, because I can free to do whatever I want. But then I spend it on meetings. Oh man. But yeah. Hopefully you guys will be able to join us into our future events and our future shows. I'm quite excited just by the thought of it. So yeah, that's it for our update today. See you again in the next one. Bye.